Hi guys. Matt is changing, and I'm kind of low with the camera. Not really much to talk about.
I don't really know if I should trust your load of the cameras. Might make some porn website.
Only on Tuesdays. Just kidding, guys. I'm just kidding. That's kind of disgusting. Amanda.
Love you.
Ew, I don't know what she does when I'm. Ew. What are you doing sleeping?
Okay.
Yeah, well, here's Amanda. Boob shot.
Look, got a cupcake. Hey, let go of the candle.
No.
Everybody gets from birthday.
No.
Quit making it all wet. Can I please? Oh, I'm gonna go.
Look at Amanda.
No, I'm gonna go get another cupcake because you're biznatch.
It's Bits and your kibble. We're Kibble and Bits. If you want to know where we get our smartness from, it's Let's Lead. Just kidding. Actually, people in there are pretty smart sometimes. I guess. But I'm gonna go because she's being retarded.
You
What?
guys, I found treats. I found food. Food.
You don't get that a lot, do you?
It's food.
Where'd you go?
It's food. Look it. Look it.
Oh wow, food. I dare you to eat some food. Oops. Technical difficulties. Oh. Two cat treats.
Oh god.
Yeah.
Oh
I
god.
can tell she doesn't eat a lot. Technical difficulties, sorry, but we gotta go. Sorry. Bye. Hell.